All right, that's better. Well, how's it going? You can tell by this whole video setup that it's not a normal video. I am on vacation. You can see that because of my mustache. Yes, this is a vacation mustache. Well, on this vacation, I decided I'd bring my Canon M50 along because it's portable, it's small, and it's one of those vlogging cameras that everyone talks about. But there's three things I want to check out in this video, and that is how the 60 frames per second at full HD looks on this camera, also the 120 frames per second at 720, and lastly, the C-Log on this camera. That's right, the C-Log, because there was a different YouTuber who I found who was selling a C-Log profile that you can install on your M50 for better grading. So we're gonna take a look at those three things. Again, slow-mo at 60 frames per second, slow-mo at 120 frames per second, and lastly, the C-Log. Now, I want to keep your eye on the 120 frames per second because that is in 720. I want to see if the image quality is so bad that you can't use it. So the videos, all of them will have marks on them letting you know what frame rate and what resolution, but I'm gonna show it closer to the middle of the clip towards the end, just in case, because I want you to really take a look at it and decide whether or not, you know, can I use this? So enjoy the video. I'm gonna enjoy this Korean tacos we got here. And lastly, don't forget to have some fun. Vacation's beautiful. I'm in Asbury Park, New Jersey. So far, so good. All right, let's roll it. So I have to tell you, when you shoot at 120 frames per second in 720, all the slow motion is happening inside the camera. You're not doing anything in post. So it's not shooting at a regular speed and then you slow it down. It's doing all the slow motion in camera. But can you tell the image quality took a hit? Did it look okay? I think it looked fine. I think it's usable. I wouldn't make a whole video with just a 720p footage, but I could definitely sneak some in there. But let me know in the comments, do you like this video? Did you like what you saw? Also, what do you think about that C-Log? I'm not the greatest grader in the world, but I think it was pretty usable. Was it worth the $40? Probably not. You could probably do some neutral profiles on camera without spending that kind of money. But I thought I'd give a YouTuber a shot. So let me know in the comments what you think about the three videos you saw, the three types of videos you saw. And if you like this, please leave a like. If you love it, subscribe. I am Kenny B, and I'll see you next time. And if you come to Asbury Park, make sure you order the Korean beef tacos. Look at these things. So good. Oh my God. Bye. I'll see you later. I almost forgot to tell you, for this little setup, I'm using my Canon M50. I'm using the Rode Video Micro, and I'm also using a Joby GorillaPod. I have it set up on a railing right now. We can take a look at this. I think it's a pretty decent vlogging setup. It's not super heavy, super portable. So if you want a review on this little setup, let me know. I'll make it. I'm on vacation. I have nothing else to do except eat tacos. So many tacos.